garage. I want to get started back on the turning, but I got to do some restoration on the lathe bed. Let me flip this thing around and I'll show you what's going on here. So it's been sitting out in my garage for a couple months. I don't know if I told you guys. Back in July, I tore my ACL, closed down our commercial shop, and moved everything into my garage. Before I can get back into turning, I need to get this bed restored. It's not bad. It's light surface rust just from stuff sitting out here. I should be able to buff that out. I'll use some WD-40 and a greenie. Then I'll throw some paste wax on the bed and hopefully that clears it up. All right. Got that scrubbed. I'm gonna leave it sit for a bit. Come back, wipe it off. Do another round. See if we can get this stuff cleaned up. All right. Let's get a quick wipe down of this thing and see where we're at. I think I'll put on one more coat WD-40, one more round of scrubbing. We'll see how it looks. I don't know how to get this heavier stuff up. Maybe you guys might know. Tell me in the comments what you think. I'm sure there's people that are saying, no, don't use WD-40. And that's cool, but I don't know what else to use. So what do you got? Because this isn't like my cast iron, like on my table saw. I got to move these to get underneath them as well. I probably should actually take them off and see what their beds look like, or what their tracks look like. You know what I mean. I'm not opposed to spending some money on something a little bit more expensive than WD-40, because these lathes are expensive. It's not like it doesn't warrant spending a little bit of extra money. But it's better than it was. All right. Let this one sit a little bit longer. We'll come back out to the next session. Yep. That's not so bad. Put this on here. Boom. Boom. All right. Well, let's spin this up for the first time since July of last year and do a quick cut. See if there's anything obviously wrong before I start my next set of projects. That's running at about 1200 RPM. So let's see if we can make a little bit of a mess. It's running. It's cleaned up. I think
We can get back to making parts.
That was fun, getting this thing cleaned up, getting this put back together. I'm looking forward to getting back in front of the camera and making some more videos. Look for some upcoming stuff, like I have to make a gift for someone who's helping me out with my black belt test that's coming up in a few weeks. I also have to assemble a sharpening station that I purchased from Woodturner's Wonders, and I have to build a spot for that to sit in my garage. All the while assessing this 20 by 20 space and figuring out how to make it work. 400 square feet down from close to 1,000 square feet, maybe. So, yeah, it's tight, but it'll be fun. Thanks a lot for hanging out today, and I look forward to doing some more videos with you in the upcoming weeks. And like I've said in the past, keep on turning.